Indian bakery style apple cake. Hi, hello, welcome to the Recipes. I am Hashan Jaykumar. A lovely session of most wanted apple cake. This is absolutely the Indian bakery style apple cake because it's otherwise called as chocobar in the other countries, but in India we call it as apple cakes because these are made it that way and they are being sold like apples. So that's why they are called apple cakes. We make into shapes, you get some bits and bits on the sides of the cake. So all those are collected and they are then mixed with cocoa and they are made into either cocoa balls or this apple cake. So let's look into how to do this love.
Normally this cake is done with all the leftovers after cutting into shapes. They collect all those, they make it into powder and add some cocoa powder, and then these apple cakes are made in the bakeries. But here we are going to do it right from the scratch. So we'll first make a plain vanilla cake or a normal sponge cake right now. So this is 100 grams of plain flour maida, and then we'll add just 50 grams of corn flour, 1 spoon of baking powder and half spoon of baking soda. Now let's sieve all the dry ingredients together. Keep it aside. For the wet ingredients, add 75 grams of oil, cooking oil or olive oil, and 100 grams of sugar. First let's beat these together and then we can slowly add the milk. Now let's add the milk. Add pinch of salt. Whisk it nicely with a blender or with a whipper. Let's mix the dry ingredients with this. We need not beat them actually, but if you have an wooden ladle or something like that, we can just mix them thoroughly. Give it a nice mix. Actually, because we are not adding any eggs here, this is going to be completely eggless. Now let's add the lemon juice. Grease a cake tin and pour the batter into it. Meanwhile, we'll have to preheat our ovens at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degree Fahrenheit. Pour the batter into your greased cake tin. Tap them nicely to remove any air bubbles in the cake batter. Now let's leave it into the oven for 30 to 40 minutes.
Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us.
So have a look at this. The cake is done well. Just allow it to cool for some time, otherwise it will be difficult to remove it from the tin. So I'm just waiting for it to get cooled. And then you can scrape it down. Because we are going to grate them nicely or we are going to just mix them. So we need not be worried about the shape. I'm just trying to make a nice powder out of it. So if it is cool, actually you will be able to break it into pieces. Now I'm adding some cocoa powder to this. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can also alternate it with Bonvita or some hot drinks like that, but then there will be a slight change in the flavor. So those who want the right flavor should add only cocoa powder to this. Now let me put into a machine and then I'm going to make a good crumble out of this cake so that we get an even size, or we'll get a nice texture. Otherwise, if the crumble is not nice, then what will happen is the apple cake texture will not be good. So look at this. With the help of chopper, we got a nice crumble. You can either use a mixer jar also for this to get this crumble. Now let's add the powdered sugar and condensed milk. Be careful while you're removing the condensed milk. The edge of the tin might hurt your fingers. And this condensed milk again depends upon the taste. Suppose if you want a little more sweetened taste of this cake, you can use a little more of condensed milk. Add the chocolate essence finally. Give them a nice mix. Actually, you should mix them so nice like that the sugar and the condensed milk and all get blended well with the crumbles. Now we can make nice round balls out of our like it should be of your desired size. See, it can be either a small apple cake or a bigger one, depends on your wish. But then hold it tightly, so that initially it might be difficult, but what will happen is the oil, the sweet and the condensed milk within it will make it into a nice ball, so that after some time it will be very firm to eat it. So otherwise they will just crumble and fall down. So they should be firm. So for that we are giving a nice press. Now put them into a desiccated coconut, or you can just fry and have the grated coconut pieces. Just roll the ball on top of it, so that there will be coconut pieces on top of the apple cake. So here our Indian bakery style apple cake is ready.
So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making this Indian bakery style apple cake or Iyengar bakery cake, apple cake. This is going to be right from the scratch. So do try this and keep us posted. Doset Pizza is all over enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Doset Pizza, and do not forget to share this link with your friends and relatives. Thank you and goodbye.